Racing camshaft, lighten for Wave 125 and XRM 125 mga boss. Meron tayo, iba-ibang klase. Yan. So ito po yung 5.2 lift with bearing na. So yan. So, meron din yung R2, R3, and R4. So R2 camshaft is 5.8 lift. Yan. Goods for 57 to 60 na na block. Ito naman yung R3, 6.5 lift. Goods for 62 to 65 na block. Ito naman yung R4, 6.8 goods for 65 to 68 na block. So, ito yung ibang klase na camshaft, racing camshaft na light 10. So, wala pa tong bearing. Ito lang si 5.2 ang may bearing. So, available to our shop. Sa mga interesado, message lang po.